In this video, I will show you how to delete ChatGPT history on iPhone. Right here, I'm using the ChatGPT app for iOS, and if you want to delete your chat history, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the settings icon right here, scroll down to where it says data controls and tap on it. Look below and you will see where it says delete all chats. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you have done that, all your ChatGPT chat history will be deleted from the app and from your account. You can choose to archive the chat history if that's what you want. When it comes to deleting ChatGPT history, where the problem lies is deleting images from the image library. This can be very cumbersome if you have lots of images. What makes it difficult is that it only allowed 10 images to be deleted at once. There's no bulk delete button or maybe the option to select all images and delete at once. You can only select and delete 10 images, which is time consuming if you have tons of images to delete. I just wish they add the option to bulk delete images at once from the image library. Well, it's up to them adding the option, though I believe that not being able to bulk delete images from the image library on ChatGPT was done on purpose. Maybe they have their reasons. And that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching.